Things are getting complicated.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Wednesday. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and deciding you wanted to watch it. Today we have a teal eyeliner, and if you would like to learn how I completed this look, please keep watching. The first thing I'm going to do is put an eyeshadow base, and this one is by P. Louise. I chose this one because it really helps for your eyeshadows to look super vibrant, and I wanted to make sure that the teal eyeliner was really going to show through. And now I'm going to do my brows, and I keep doing my brows this way in reverse because after doing it the first time by accident, I realized I actually really do like putting my concealer on first and then filling in my brows and seeing where I wanted to apply the color versus going in and then cleaning it up after using a flat shader brush by MAC Cosmetics. I'm going to use my favorite brow product, and that is the Benefit Cosmetics Goof Proof Brow Pencil in shade number 4. I absolutely love this product for its texture and the way it wears throughout the day. It's super easy to blend out as well, so that is a bonus. Now for my favorite foundation duo, and that is the Pat McGrath Lab Skin Fetish Foundation in shade number medium 21, and my double wear by Estee Lauder in shade 4W2. And the reason I love these two together is because they are perfectly blendable together. They don't patch up or anything when you mix the two. Also, the Pat McGrath Skin Fetish looks like skin, yet applies a nice decent amount of coverage. However, it doesn't apply as much as the double wear, and this one is the one that I like to just use to spot correct. So I just apply it wherever I have some acne scarring, and the two of them just look like perfect skin. And so that's why I have been loving this combination, and my skin feels breathable, yet I do have full coverage. So I absolutely love this and recommend it if you can try this out, to try the two products. I know they're pricey together especially, so if you can, or if you have the two of them already, just try mixing them up and seeing how you like it. I'm going to go back in with my Dermablend Concealer, but this time I'm covering up my mom bags because the girl does not sleep that much. And the best way to blend that out is with a slightly damp beauty blender. So I'm just doing tapping motions. As you can see, I don't apply my concealer all over underneath my eye because I think it's just a little bit too much product. So I just apply it in the inner corners and in the outer corners, and then I just blend it away until it just looks seamless with my foundation. Now I'm just contouring my nose and all the areas where I do have natural shadowing, so it looks really natural. And that is underneath my cheekbones, around my nose, and in my eye sockets. When blending out product in smaller areas, you want to use a brush that is suitable for those areas. So I went in with this Real Techniques blending brush because I knew that I was going to be able to blend it out without getting the contour color all over in places I didn't want it. So you want to always make sure that your brush fits the area and works well for the job. Now I'm going to go in with my Pink Haze powder by Becca. I absolutely love this powder. As you guys know, it is great for brightening. It just looks so good. I love this product. I'm not like a super baker or anything, so I like to just apply the product and leave it for a few seconds and then brush it away so that my skin just looks really not so cakey. And now it's time for our eyes, and so I did one side for you guys so you can get a little bit of a preview, and also I wanted to try it out first. Now I'm just going to apply my light highlighting powder to set my eyelids, and then I'm going to go in with this contour shade by Anastasia, and I'm just setting my contour area. Now I'm going to apply the liner. So as you can see, it's just two loose eyeshadows, and I used this mixing medium from by Mario to make it into a liner, and this kept it on all day. So first I went in with a shimmery lighter shade because I wanted to have a light highlighted look around the matte liner. So the most that you're going to see is a matte teal. However, right around it when the light hits, I wanted this to really peek through. Now I'm going in with this bright teal eyeshadow that I made into the liner, and this eyeshadow is by Suva. I will link everything down below for you. It's like a cake liner, so when you add water or this mixing medium, it turns into a long wear product. So I used it as a liner, and that is how easy this look is. So I went in first with the lighter shade, and then right in the middle I went in with that dark matte teal color, and I absolutely love how this turned out. So I just wanted to keep everything nice and bright, so I just went in with a skin tone liner on the bottom and some beautiful lashes, and that is it, guys. It was so easy to do this eye look. I just love it. I wanted to keep the rest of this look really fresh, so I'm just contouring and highlighting, and I'm going back in with that Anastasia product. Now for my blush, I went in with this orangey tone blush because I thought it would play nicely with the teal color, and I was absolutely right, but it did give me some island vibes. I definitely need a vacation. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to be able to go on vacation. For my lips, I just applied a nice nude gloss because once again, the eyes are the star, and I just wanted to keep this look super fresh. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it. All the products will be linked down below. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please subscribe if you are new. I love you guys. Stay beautiful.